Creating an Irresistible Offer, a step-by-step guide for veterans. Hey everyone, Alan Davis here, and let's be honest, you're here because you're ready to take your business to the next level. You got the drive, the dedication, heck, you served our country. You know what it takes to get things done, but sometimes you need the right strategy, the secret sauce, to really make your business explode. Ever wondered how some offers sell like hotcakes while others flop completely? Today you'll learn the secret. That's what we're diving into today. Crafting an offer so irresistible, so incredibly valuable, that your ideal customers won't be able to resist hitting that buy now button. Throughout this video, we're going to break down proven tactics step by step to help you build a winning offer that attracts customers like moths to a flame. Let's get started. You know, in the military, we had a saying, proper planning prevents poor performance. It's true in combat, and it's true in business. You can't just throw an offer out there and hope for the best. You need a plan, a strategy, and that's exactly what we're going to create together today. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to craft an offer that resonates with your audience and drives serious sales. Look, we've all seen those crazy Black Friday sales where people are practically fighting over TVs. That's the power of an irresistible offer. It grabs attention, sparks excitement, and convinces people they need it now. This isn't about trickery, it's about understanding your audience's desires and presenting your product or service as the ultimate solution they've been searching for. Speaking of your audience, let's talk about them for a second. Just like in the military, you wouldn't go into a mission without understanding the terrain and your enemy, right? In business, understanding your audience is crucial. Who are they? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Once you know the answers, crafting an offer that solves their problems becomes a whole lot easier. Chapter 4. Components of your offer. Now let's break down the components of an irresistible offer. It starts with a killer core product or service. Something that provides real value. But that's not all. To sweeten the deal, we add irresistible bonuses. Think about it, who doesn't love free stuff? Finally, price it strategically. Remember, value perception is key. Chapter 5. Anchoring Effect Explained. Here's a powerful psychological principle called the anchoring effect. It's all about establishing a high perceived value up front. Think of it like this. You show a potential customer that your product is worth $500, but you're offering it to them today for only $97. Suddenly, that $97 price tag feels like an absolute steal, right? That's the power of anchoring. Chapter 6. Urgency, Scarcity, and Guarantees. We're about to tap into some powerful motivators, urgency and scarcity. Limited time offers, limited quantities, these create a sense that people need to act now or miss out. And to seal the deal, offer a rock-solid guarantee. This removes risk and shows your customers you truly believe in what you're offering. Now let's talk about your messaging. You can have the greatest offer in the world, but if your messaging is confusing or unclear, it won't matter. Be direct, be specific, and highlight the benefits your audience will experience. Remember, simplicity is key. Alright, you've built an incredible offer, you're ready to launch, but the work isn't done yet. Once you launch, it's time to track your results and see how your audience responds. Don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. This is about continuous improvement, just like we learned in the military. Adapt, overcome, and dominate. Here's the best part. Once you find a winning offer, you can scale it up, expand your reach, target new audiences, and watch your business grow exponentially. This is where the real magic happens, where your hard work and strategic planning pay off in a big way. So, there you have it, the blueprint for crafting an irresistible offer. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, and now it's time to execute. Remember, your success is in your hands. Take action, stay committed, and I guarantee you'll see incredible results. Go out there and make it happen. I hope this video has fired you up and given you some actionable steps to implement in your own business. Creating an irresistible offer is one of the most powerful things you can do to skyrocket your sales and achieve the level of success you deserve. Remember, you've got the skills, the dedication, and now the knowledge to make it happen. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest takeaway you're going to implement in your business? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Start creating your irresistible offer now.